What's up? It's Jeremiah James. I've got a guitar lesson here for you on The Ship in the Bottle by Brett Young. Guitar is in standard tuning. I put a capo here on my 3rd fret to transpose it so we have all open chords for everybody, which makes this a great beginner song. So we have a C chord, an A minor chord, a G chord, and an F chord. We're going to start out here with our verse, which is a C in this F open chord. On our C chord, we're going to just have our index there on that 1st fret of the B and our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. And then we're going to hammer on to the 2nd fret of the D string with our middle finger here on that 1st strum down. So we've got our C outline there. You strum, hammer on to that 2nd fret. Then what we're going to do is we're going to mute those strings and we're going to go up, down. So that would sound like this. One more time, very slowly. Okay, so you do that a few times on your C. F open chord. So you're going to have your index and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A and the D. Index is going to continue to stay here on the 1st fret of that B string. You're going to strum down, and then this middle finger is going to hammer on to the 2nd fret of your G instead of the D string now. Still the same kind of strumming where we mute these strings and then we go up, up, down, up. And then you're right back to your C chord. So that's how you play the verse. It's pretty straightforward. It's just those 2 chords. The hard part is the hammer-ons if you are a beginner. If you are a beginner and you don't want to do the hammer-ons, feel free to just go and something of that nature. So your strumming would be down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down. And that's the same strumming that we're going to use for the chorus and the bridge here, which will be this F chord to an A minor chord to a G chord back to your C. So down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up. And we start on this F open, A minor, G, to your C. That's all there is to it. So that shows you how to play the chorus and the bridge. We know how to play the verse, and then those are all the pieces of the song. So now you can play The Ship in the Bottle by Brett Young. So that's going to do it for this lesson. Hopefully this helped you. If it did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, stay posted for some more tutorials, and also some original music from me. Thank you for watching.